Hello viewers and my subscribers. Greetings from Boston. Hope you are all well. During this corona time, I wish you all the best. Today, we are going to make saffron cake. One of my Saudi friends is going to teach me. Last time when she made the cake, it was so delicious, so yummy, incredible. And I was so obsessed with that cake, so I requested her to come and teach me, and she is gonna give me instruction and directions how to make this cake. Okay, let's start. To make saffron cake, take a look at these ingredients in here. I put for cake ingredients are here. On this side is for the sauce, these ingredients. So for saffron cake, you start with the main ingredients is yellow cake mix. You can make your own yellow cake mix from scratch, but this is a quick one. So use it. If you know how to make the yellow cake mix yourself, do it. Okay, yellow cake mix and all-purpose flour, which I have put it in here. And 1 cup of sunflower oil, 3 eggs, and saffron, and a little bit of 1 tablespoon of water. I have put it to dissolve. You see that? The strings. Sometimes, you know what? I use a little bit of warm water so that it dissolves quickly. I do that. For the sauce, once we make the cake, for the sauce, we have evaporated milk, condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, dream whip, okay, and milk. So a regular milk, I mean, because I use lactate milk, so I have that, but regular milk. And if you really want a thick sauce, you can add some heavy whipping cream. It will give the delicious taste, trust me. Okay, let's put the eggs first. 3 eggs. Okay, and half a cup oil, and then next water. So but you wanted 1 cup, okay? So I'm gonna take a little bit of water from the fridge. Is it too much or just right?
No, just
okay. Yeah, it's
okay, it's a 1 cup water. Okay, so 1 cup water, and let's mix it. Okay guys, okay, so we put the egg, we put the 1 cup of water and half a cup of oil. We mixed it nicely. Now the cake mix goes in here. Oops, I am a little bit clumsy sometimes. Okay, and then 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So
is that enough?
2,
yes, 2.
we could do that, and then mix it again. I just added the saffron. Can you take a look at that in here, right here? If you could bring the camera right down here, you see this saffron is here. It is so nice, beautiful smell. Ah, awesome. Okay, I'm gonna mix it. Okay, you see that? I mixed it so nicely. There is no lumps in here. So it's just that women's hand power. You need that, and it looks so delicious already.
Yes.
Look at that saffron, and also the yellow cake mix gives a perfect color to it. Okay. 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, okay? But preheat the oven first. You need to preheat the oven so that it's nice and hot. Then you put it in for 30 minutes and just keep watching it to see how it's, it should supposed to rise. Now we're gonna make sauce, okay? So 2 cups of milk. You can put a regular milk. I did not have regular milk, so I'm just using the lactate milk, okay? And I am gonna add this evaporated milk as well. Okay, let's put this here out of the way. And then, my favorite thing, the condensed milk. What? I was told to put half, but I don't know why I cannot stop. So I just put the whole thing. Oh yes, this is so delicious. Okay. And then what else I have to do? I have to put saffron. So you can take a nice big pinch of saffron. You know what? When you put the saffron, just give that little twist to make it like a scrambled saffron. It is so delicious. Okay, so we are gonna heat this mixture nicely. Okay. Okay, so now we are gonna make this topping mix. It's a whipped topping mix, Dream Whip. There are 2 sachets, so I'm gonna put that. So we better do it gently, otherwise all the powder is coming to our nose. 2 cups. Okay, and 1 cup of milk. Okay, let's put this out of the way and then use this. Now the cake is ready. Take a look at that. The cake is perfect, and as we said, it's 30 minutes, but we gave a little bit extra, like 5 minutes. It's 35 minutes. It's nicely cooked, and the sauce is also cooked, but it is hot. So we need to cool it down really nicely and also let the cake cool down. While it's still hot, I'm gonna make little holes like this. So when we pour the mix, the sauce, so that it can go inside, that will make it so soft. It doesn't have to be in order, you just do it here and there. It's delicious. Okay, we're gonna put this sauce. So throughout you have to do that. In the holes it will nicely will be soaking it. You can see that topping. I kept it in the fridge. You keep it in the fridge a little bit to cool it for 20 minutes. The topping is so nice. So now I'm gonna just decorate this. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful texture, soft, and the sauce is really fully absorbed, and a little bit of a topping, and we put some saffron on the top. Voila, this is saffron cake. It's beautiful. Thank you, my friend, for helping me to make this, and I will remember this forever.